Hello everyone, welcome back to Design and UX channel. I am Priya. Today in this video we are going to practice on another whiteboard design challenge, which is design in universal TV remote application. Let's get started. The first step of solving a design challenge is understand problem context area, that why we are solving this design challenge. Let's think about all the possible situations in user life where they are using multiple remotes to operate TV or sound system related or entertainment products in their lives. For the deeper understanding on design challenge, let's talk about the user scenarios or user situations where they are using multiple remotes to operate their TVs and entertainment related products in everyday life. Let's talk about the situation or scenario 1 for the user 1. So user is an employee, he has a nice family and he has a nice home. In his home, he has a Apple TV, Prime TV or living room TV or another TV which is located in bedroom, and he has also sound system at his home. So if he want to operate any one of products like a TV or a sound bar, so he has to operate those products with particular remotes. So in that way, if we calculate the entire home products, TV remote, another TV remote, so in that way he has a 5 to 6 remote in his home. So it's difficult for him to every time finding a particular remote and to operate that. Now we talk about another scenario or another situation. In this situation, user want to travel from one place to another place to spend some time with the friends and family and have a nice vacation. Since he booked the hotels to stay and get fresh up and have some nice relaxation time. Whenever they are relaxing at the hotel, they mostly prefer to watch the TV. Sometimes they will get single TV or sometimes they will get multiple TVs at their hotels. If they want to operate those TVs, they have to particularly look for the remote and they have to operate the TV. Since sometimes it's difficult to find the particular TV remote and to operate the TVs. Okay, let's talk about situation 3 or scenario 3. The user is living in apartment, and if they want to celebrate some occasions or any other related celebrations, they mostly use the clubhouse. The clubhouse is provided with nice fun area as well as a home theater setup as well as some TVs all around the clubhouse. So user can enjoy their time, and if they want to watch TV, so they can watch. In the clubhouse, still user has some difficulties to find the remote related to the TV to watch TV. These are the number of scenarios where we identified the user using multiple remotes in their everyday lives. If the user have an opportunity to use multiple remotes instead of one single or one universal remote for all the devices, so it makes user life easier for their entertainment. I think we understood problem context area. Now we are moving another step on solving a design challenge is target audience. The target audience are divided into different categories. The first category of target audience are the audience who are spending less time on entertainment. These people are mostly very small kids or the people who are very older in their age. This category of small kids will listen rhymes, stories or any educational related stuff in their entertainment. In this category of target audience, older people will watch mostly the TV series or movies in their TVs. Let's talk about another category of target audience who are mostly people, teenagers or young age people. This category of people mostly watch TV series in different platforms, or they do watch series or serials in a TV, or they do watch movies in theaters or TV, or they would like to listen songs in a sound systems. In that way, they spend more time on watching a TV or listening a songs, and they are getting entertained themselves in their everyday lives. I think we talk about our target audience. Now we are going to work on another step of solving a whiteboard design challenge, which is define the scope. Define a scope means state your user problems and needs. First, we will talk about the user problems and then we will go with the what are their needs. It's difficult to operate multiple remotes for TV and sound systems. It's hard to store all the remotes at one place and we might lost any of them. Remotes are mostly in terms of a device, so if we want to operate those devices, we have to use the batteries to charge them. So all the times user have to purchase new batteries to operate them. Every remote has its own model. So if we want to use any one of the remote, so we have to use the batteries according to the remote, since user have to buy multiple batteries to operate the remotes. I think we talk about the user problems. Let's talk about the user needs. If the user have an opportunity to, all the remote should be in terms of a universal remote, since the user can easily use all the entertainment related devices by operating universal remote. Because of one universal remote, user need not to buy so many different batteries to operate the device. The universal device can be easy to store and easy to use. I think we talk about all the situations related user needs and user problems. Now we are going to work on another step of solving a design challenge, which is a list of design ideas. All the different remote can be connected with a single device. Single device remote can have a USB or charging plug, so they can connect with the charging port to charge the device. Single remote device can have all the features of different TV remote as well as sound products in home. The remote device can be easy to use and easy to carry and easy to store. User can use this device wherever and whenever they want to use. The device can be connected with the internet. So if the user lost the device or if user forgot the device anywhere, so user can easily track and find the device easily. The device can have a nice interface, so user can easily view what are the options they want to use, or user can easily operate the device. If the user is new to using these products and if the user want to connect these device with their TV or sound related products, so they can simply use the passcode or numeric code or QR code to connect both the devices and they can simply use it. Unfortunately, if the device is disconnected with the TV or sound system, so the user can get a notification on it, since the user can identify and user can quickly reactivate the devices. By using this device, user can also get notified on watch hours on entertainment, since they can schedule their entertainment time and the personal time in their everyday lives. I think we noted down all the list of design ideas for designing a universal remote application. Now we are going to solving the design challenge. If we want to use any new application or existing application, we have to create an account or sign in to the account to save our personal details. Since now I am going to create a welcome screen for the application design, and I am going to add create an account and sign in option to the screen. If the user is new to the application, so they can create an account by clicking the create an account option, or if the user is already using the application and they want to use the application, so they can simply sign in to the account. If the user selects sign in option, so which screen is going to be appear for the user, so I am going to design that screen. Now I am designing the entering all the details related sign in page. In this page, I am going to add email and password option, and then I am going to add a button with a sign in. So user can enter their email ID and password, and then they can easily sign into the application and they are ready to use. We are designing this application for the mobile use. Along with that, we are operating this remote on a TV and sound system. So to connect all systems together, we have to add Wi-Fi to the application. Since now I am going to design another screen which is connect to the internet page. So in this screen, I am going to add Wi-Fi as well as a password details. So user can enter the Wi-Fi details, along with that they can enter their security password, and once they enter those details, they can simply click on the connect button to connect with the internet. Once the universal remote application is connected with the Wi-Fi or the internet, then the application automatically process all the devices which are located in user place, and it will appears on the mobile application interface, so the user can easily view the available details TV1, TV2, and then they can easily connect. Now I am going to create a new page or a new screen with a list of existing devices connected with email and Wi-Fi. In this page I am going to add TV1 and then next to connect button, and then TV2, and next to TV2 I am adding the connect button, or at the bottom of the screen I am going to create a new option, add new device. So in that way, by looking at available options on the screen, user can simply connect to the devices or they can add a new device. Once user select the connect button on the existing screen, then the new screen will appear. Now I am going to design a new screen which is TV connection details. So in that page I am going to add a QR code or a passcode options for the user. So if the user want to connect the device by using QR code, they can connect with the QR code, or the user want to connect the device with the passcode, so they can simply click on the passcode option and they can connect the device. So in the existing screen, I am going to click on the QR code. So if the user select the QR code, then new screen will appear with the next steps. Now I am going to design a next screen. In this screen, I am going to draw a camera option with the scan the code device now. So once the user scan the QR code, so they can simply by scanning those code, they can connect the device with the application, or if the existing scanner is not working or if the any error occurred, so the user can have another option, that is send another code. So by clicking on that, so user will get a new another scanning available options to connect the device. Once the device is connected with the application, then the new home page of application will appear for the user. Now I am going to draw a connected device or a home screen for the application. On this home screen, user can see all the available options to select and they can watch. So now I am going to note it down or write down all the available options for the user. So TV1, and then next I am going to draw a select button, TV2, and then I am going to draw another button which is select, and then TV3, and then select button, and prime, and then select, and Bose sound, and then select. So if the user want to connect with a new device, so there is I am going to draw one more available option for the user, which is connect a new device. So if the user want to connect any new device, so they can simply click on it and they can connect with the new device. In the existing screen, if the user want to select a prime option, so they can simply click on the select button and the new screen will appear with the prime TV details. Now I am going to design a prime TV screen. On the very top of the screen, I am going to design a rectangle box with the series or movie that user is playing currently, and I am going to add play or stop button on that series. If the user want to watch, so they can continuously watch, or if they want to pause, so they can pause from there. And once I am coming down on the page, I am going to design a volume button. So the volume button should be very easy to operate, since I am drawing as a bar option with a volume. So user can easily reduce and increase the volume by dragging the volume button. Now I am going to create another option which is related series or movies exactly underneath of the volume. So by looking at related options, user can select any one of them and they can continue their entertainment. Now on the underneath of related options, I am going to create home button, play or pause button or more button. Since if the user want to watch all the available options on the Prime, which is on the home page of the Prime Video, so they can see or they can watch by simply clicking on home button. If the user want to pause or play existing series, so they can simply click on play or pause button. If the user want more settings on Prime TV, so they can simply click on the left menu button. Now I am going to create another screen which is schedule watch time. So in this screen I am going to add a time and I am going to add another details of a series watch time. So in that way, if the user want to select or schedule any time to watch the series or movie, so they can simply schedule the time and they can watch. Or they also identify how many hours of series they already watched or they have to watch in future. Accordingly, user can schedule their watching time in the application. By using this screen, user can limit their entertainment time. Nowadays, users are spending more time on watching a TV or more time on spending entertainment. So, if they want to schedule for a certain time to watch TV or sound systems, by using this screen, they can simply schedule their entertainment time and they can maintain their time for another activities rather than only entertainment. Now I am going to create another screen which is total estimated time that users spend on entertainment. In this screen I am going to create a graphical representation of or analysis of watch time as well as multiple devices. So in this, by using this screen, user can see how many hours or what is the time they are spending on each device. If the user is not using any device, so they can simply delete those devices or they can simply deactivate their membership with those devices or those applications. Or if the user want to continue, so they can simply continue watching their entertainment. Now I am going to add each detailed summary so the user can see the overall summary on each devices. So here TV1 which is 20 hours, TV2 which is 10 hours and TV3 which is 5 hours. Now I am going to design a new screen which is device notifications. In this page, user can see latest activities or latest notifications related to the application. In this screen, I am writing the two latest notification which is watch time exceeded, that is 5 hours, and your device is not connected. So if user want to connect, so simply they can connect. Or if the user want to close this screen, so they simply close by clicking on the close button. Now I am going to design a next screen which is user profile. In this page I am going to add all the personal details related to the user. So if the user want to edit or update their email, password or Wi-Fi, any other personal detail, so they can simply edit by using this screen. This is a mobile application, so user can charge the mobile application by using USB port or charging port. Also, this is a mobile application, so they can easy to use and they can easy to store, or if the user want to use whenever and wherever they want. So this is how I solve this design challenge. Now I am going to work on measuring the success by using this application. Now in my mind I have two important points regarding measuring the success on these application. The first one is the number of users are converting their manual remote to the application within a time limit. The second one is the number of users are easily access the device by viewing the application's interface. This is how I work on my design challenge. If you have any design challenge in your mind, or if you have any questions or any ideas or thoughts on solving a design challenge, please provide in the comment section. I hope you liked this video. If you found this video useful for you to practicing on design challenge, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on videos and practice on design challenges and many more. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.